I should've listened. See, you were that dime piece I couldn't pass up. But now I'm thinking back, I should've. I'm thinking and wishing, if only I listened, I wouldn't be missing you in this condition I'm in. Would've been a broken heart at the start. You gave me the spark, now I'm left in the dark. We did what we like, it was for only one night. I broke out of sight, went on with my life, thinking it was alright. Telling me I got a seed, named it after me. Couldn't believe, so now you're telling me it took one line, one time to make you mine. Here you come as I shine, there just wasn't time, but the crime would be not take responsibility of what I created. I made it, it just couldn't be so short. We get along, make a relationship strong. How things change from one night to getting it on. I guess I was wrong, thought the way I was feeling. It's hard to believe the situation I was dealing with. Thought this ever happened to me. The breaking your heart will leave me lonely. Had to go and deal with something like this. Thought you'd be the one that I'm in, but I never thought this ever happened to me. Breaking your heart will leave me lonely. Had to go and deal with something like this. Thought you'd be the one that I'm in. And after 2 years, what I didn't want to hear came my biggest fear of my whole life was going to shift gears, telling me the little one may not be the one. I may not be the father to the daughter, the son. The pain has begun. I don't know, I can't let go. Your pain hit me low like putting us on a talk show. For real though, I heard how you are. It was so bizarre, I can't believe I received a crushed heart. By far results made me feel it's my fault. As you pour on the salt in my wounds, I got caught up with you. I didn't have a clue when I'm through. I see someone new as I seek a new, but with no lie, just the truth. I gotta watch out what these chicken heads are all about. Tell the kids they got a friend, and I'll always send my love. Hope the heart's made, cause this is the end, and I'll never get lied to again. Thought this ever happened to me. The breaking your heart will leave me lonely. Had to go and deal with something like this. Thought you'd be the one that I'm in. I never thought this ever happened to me. Breaking your heart will leave me lonely. Had to go and deal with something like this. Thought you'd be the one that I'm in. I never would've thought I'd get caught up in your game. You have one thing to game, do you have no shame? I guess I'm to blame for that less than one night, so I must go and do right. You're not ruining my life as much as you like, but that kid is not mine. Helping you's the last time, what you did was a crime. I got you with one line, I have so many regrets. Time for me to step, cause my heart is nothing in it left. Thought I was blessed, turned out to be a curse, but you couldn't get any worse. You bring more hurt, would've given you the shirt off my back for you. Now I'm here, I'm at that point, I'm done with you, boo. Don't wanna be rude, but it all has come to an end. You better start over and over, God knows where you've been. I hate it, perpetrated the ultimate sin. You went from 1 being a 10, a brother can't win. Thought this ever happened to me.